Hello friends, how are you my YouTube family members? Welcome to my YouTube channel Greenhouse. I hope all of you are good. Today I am going to show you various ideas for beautiful garden. Here are multiple designs that you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch, or yard. Splashes of color break up grain, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers, e.g. cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme. Create a collection of plants with the same flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful and updated content for you. If you like my video,
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.